Good morning, everyone. We are back. Main main focus is M2K. It has a great setup around under the extreme level of the 8 hour, but the lower time frame, some kind is grinding. We have already had a rejection bar like 34 signal. You can trade like 5 points risk. And just see now. I think it can hold this spike a little bit and push a little bit up, but the lower time frame, the higher time frame was clean. Rejection at this zone is still not having a position here. Like the only indice that has strong reaction between ES and M2K and MYM is the M2K for the news. We had 8:30 news. I think waiting for the open. I don't like trading on the pre-market unless we have some news, like around the exact news, but the news just past 20 minutes. But let's just check our pre-market preparation. There isn't that much going through. It is compressed. Yeah, I can see here we had this wedge bull market here, but it can breaks. And ES has 60 to 70 percent shorts on Thursdays. Like the leading trade on Thursday is shorting in the first 15 minutes because it's closing red on ES and going long on YM and RTY because they close green. But I think in the case of M2K, it's good. It could like doesn't mean if it's going to close green that is good long, because it could close green and then reverse for huge short because the market is already overextended. I am just watching these levels here and then just zoom out a little bit. Okay, just holding the SMA here. Just which doesn't look that much here. It's like a wedge pattern here. It's more. It's like the longs holding the spike a little bit, especially this high. I am just waiting here and let's see what the market is going to do. I want a little bit push around 3.8, like risking 42. Let's just see what's going to happen. And the best scenario is reaching 40, 43, 45. After that, there is no, like, we are not going to participate in shorting. That's let's just put some alerts here. Some alerts here. YM has some wedge, some trend line. It has this breakout line also, which I don't like. You just highlight that, but like pushing around here is good, like 52, like 52.50. Seems it's rejecting the zone, but I just don't like the lower time frame pattern. I just prefer to wait for the open. Definitely, M2K has a much better, bigger pattern than YM. But YM is still good. Like if we are shorting, the problem in YM, if we are shorting here, like to like 500 or 600, we are covering at 400. We are not playing with these levels. There is some descending trend line on the lower time frame, which it's a little bit respecting, but doesn't matter that much. If you are in VTraders chat room, Discord, I just shared my plan. Like RTY main focus shorting the red zones or the blue zones, moving to YM, shorting this red line and blue zone, and we are going to focus on the volatility of the market. But on YM, like there is a breakout line, then we are not going for the home run like RTY. It depends on the speed of the market. If it's not going fast that much, we are just covering at the next Anzo extreme levels. Just adjust the Okay, it seems the higher time frame confirming on M2K, but we still need a push at the open. Can hold here at the EMA, just see what's going to do. Like we are shorting 530, risking what? 530, 40 points. 530, 40 points, targeting these lows. Just check what's going to do. I have some script on there. Now we are at crucial point. I hope that we can get some volatility a little bit at the open to like short that. If it's currently going to bounce, then I think there is more volatile move at the open. Like it can push around the upper edge of the zone. Like then let's just prepare ourselves. Like if we are using 4 points, then like 3-6 is good. Like shorting here is good. 3-6. Risking 40. Seems we switched a little bit the lower time frame. like 36, 34, targeting. It could flash like to the downside too much, but I don't like these levels. Let's check if we are using the red system, the target is here or here, but the blue system is the same almost, like here or what? What is the blue? Here. Okay guys, our method is so simple. Also, like on YM, it could provide a long here. Just check the 12 and 16 minute and that's it. Okay guys, have a good day. We'll see you on the recap at 11 a.m. Good luck.